While professional dental treatments are the safest and most effective way to whiten teeth, there are a few home remedies that some people find helpful for a quick whitening boost. One popular method combines baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Here's a simple and quick remedy you can try. DIY Teeth Whitening Remedy. Ingredients: baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, 3% solution, toothbrush. Instructions: 1. Prepare the mixture. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. 2. Brush your teeth. Dip your toothbrush into the mixture and brush your teeth gently for about 2 minutes. Be sure to cover all surfaces of your teeth. 3. Rinse thoroughly. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residue from the mixture. Tips and precautions. Frequency: use this remedy no more than 2 to 3 times a week to avoid damaging your enamel. Sensitivity: if you experience any sensitivity or irritation, stop using the mixture immediately. Consult a dentist. It's always a good idea to consult with your dentist before trying any new dental treatment, especially if you have existing dental issues. Additional tips for whiter teeth: 1. Maintain good oral hygiene. Brush twice a day, floss daily, and use mouthwash to keep your teeth clean and healthy. 2. Avoid staining foods and drinks. Limit your consumption of coffee, tea, red wine, and tobacco, which can stain your teeth. 3. Eat crunchy fruits and vegetables. Foods like apples, carrots, and celery can help scrub away plaque from your teeth as you eat them. Remember, while home remedies can provide a temporary whitening effect, they are not a substitute for professional dental care.